Rush fam, welcome to another video. So good morning, good day, good night, wherever you are around the world watching. So welcome to another community drive, another driving video. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're in the community off, you could say Meadowbrook, you could say Havendale, you could say off Red Hills Road. We're currently on Mattville Terrace, that's where we're at right now. And wherever you are watching this specific video from, just let us know in the comments. If it's Jamaica, let us know which parish. If it's not Jamaica, let us know which country. So we see Red Hills up in the hill, that's total Mattville Terrace on the left, and that's the foot of Red Hills Road. The left is Mullines Road, the right is, so the left is Mullines Road, the right is Red Hills Road. I always tell people that right here needs a stoplight because of the amount of roads that are connecting. You know, it's a traffic nightmare in peak hours because they have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 road meeting. You know, Perkins Boulevard, Red Hills Road, Mattville Terrace, Mullines Road, you know. So we're currently on Red Hills Road, just came off Mattville Terrace. So we're taking a drive through, you know, parts of Meadowbrook, parts of Havendale. We'll pass through the Price Right Town Center, and then we'll end the video on Idaho Drive. So that's the destination. Very upscale community. I wouldn't say very upscale, I would say probably mid-upscale community. That's Havendale, that's Meadowbrook. The house prices are going up rapidly. A 5-bedroom in these areas now is like 35 mil Jamaican dollar. The very upscale communities I would say is like, you know, Cherry Gardens, Narboot Drive, Dillsbury, Paddington Terrace. So we're on Red Hills Road, we'll take this right turn. A lot of time persons, you know, get tricked a little bit not knowing this is Red Hills Road and thinking that Nisedale Drive, which we're gonna connect, which is gonna be where that bus is. So it's Nisedale Drive, go back down to the foot of Red Hills Road, while this is Red Hills Road. So Red Hills Road take a little detour. So this right turn is Nisedale Drive, while where we're on right now is Red Hills Road. Alright, so to the left we have the Price Right community and town center. This is parts of Meadowbrook again. So you have the Meadowbrook police station, you have restaurant, pharmacy, hardware, bus and taxi stand, bakery, supermarket, restaurant. Yeah, so most if not every amenity is in this little town center. Alright, and then from here we'll go on to Meadowbrook main road. So we'll take this right turn here. Alright, so as usual guys, once I'm in the vicinity, once I'm on the road, you know, if it's not an area that I videoed recently, you know, I'm gonna video it for you guys because, you know, there's always somewhere new to see. It's impossible for us to know every single place. So this left turn is Woodley Drive. And this road brings us up onto Meadowbrook Avenue. Remember to leave leave your comments, guys. It's always about, you know, commenting, keeping the channel interactive. So remember to comment, remember to like, remember to share, and also subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Alright, so we'll take this left turn on Meadowbrook Avenue. So again, just showcasing these areas. So if you guys have never seen it before, you get a chance. So we have Addington Drive on the right. And then next ride coming up, which we're gonna go on, is Idaho Drive. Recently paved. I think it leads to a cul-de-sac, if my memory serves me right. But you know, Meadowbrook, as I said, residential area. I would say probably semi upscale or quarter upscale, but very residential. It's also getting very expensive, both for rent and both for purchase. You know, well sought after community. Right, so it leads to a dead end. Alright, so we'll turn back right here. And then most of these lots as well in Meadowbrook, in Havendale, they are very big. So like this lot here, look like there are multiple different homes. Alright guys, so this is Idaho Drive. Don't think I've recorded this road before. So that's number one, where the road you can say end or start. So let's go back out to the front. And I guess a few homes in the community too may need a little love. You know, some repairs, some fixing up as well. You know, while some nicer ones are here. Alright, so let's head back out to Meadowbrook Avenue. Alright, just slide the camera a little bit so you guys can see some of the homes a little better. Alright guys, so you know, just a quick drive through parts of Red Hills Road, parts of Meadowbrook, parts of Havendale. You know, just wanted to showcase the area for you guys. So as usual, leave your comments, let me know what you think. And remember to subscribe as well. You know, subscribing is completely free. Alright, so we are back on Woodley Drive. and then this leads back down to Meadowbrook Main Road, and I guess we can end the video there. Alright guys, so it's a pleasure, a quick community drive. You know, always showcasing you guys different communities. I know sometimes persons, you know, pick up their old neighborhood, or, you know, pick up where they used to live, and, you know, it's always a pleasure to be able to bring you guys all these different content. You know, the channel is so versatile, you know, from drone videos to road update to construction update to apartment tours, apartment reviews, you know, you name it. You know, we try to bring all the different content on the channel for you guys. So I really want to thank everyone for their support. And, you know, once I do a community drive, if you're from that community, just let me know in the comments. You know, if you're still living in the community, if you're growing in the community, just let us know in the comments. You know, it's impossible for me to drive through every road and every street and every community in Jamaica. I know I do mostly Kingston because that's where I live, but I'll definitely always try to showcase you guys as much as I can, you know, from community drives to drone videos of town centers, of different points of interest, to regular construction updates, road updates. So I'll definitely show you guys as much as I can. So thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you on another video.